In this video, I'll be reviewing the steps to complete the resume template assignment. You will be submitting 2 files for grading for this assignment. The resume template file before anything is edited, and the final resume document file after you have made the changes. Step 1 asks you to open either an installed resume template or a template from office.com. So you'll click File, New, and then remember the office.com templates are down below. The installed templates you can find from Sample Templates. In this case I'm going to use the Apothecary resume, but you can use any template you like. So please select one that you like the looks of and that meets your needs. Step 2 asks you to save the file as a Word template file. So you're going to click File, Save As. You're going to give it a file name. It's going to start with resume and then your first and last name. Now we want the first and last name at the end of your files you submit for assignments because it's very useful for your instructor to know who submitted the files. Down here where it says Save as Type, you want to select Word Template because the instructions ask you to save it as a template file, and then you'll click Save. Step 3 asks you to update the contact information on the resume with your contact information. So I'm going to update the phone number here. Type in my phone number. And then you would click here to update your email. Step 4 asks you to save the document now as a document file. So you're going to click File, Save As. The name is going to be the same, but this time now you're going to click on the down arrow and select Word Document and click Save. So now we're actually working on the Word document, and we're going to go ahead with Step 5. So Step 5 asks you to fill in your information. You'd want to fill in your last name, your address, you'd want to type in your objectives, your experience. If you have skills you want listed on the resume, you would put those in, your education, and references. So you'll want to fill in all the information just as though you're creating your own resume. Step 6 asks you to remove any sections of the resume that are not needed. So for example, here I'm going to say that the job I'm applying for doesn't require references. So I'm going to select the references and use the delete key on my keyboard to delete it. If you needed to add more information, more experience, for example, you could type at the end of the first entry, and you could add another set of experiences. You might want to copy and paste from above the blank information so you'd have the same format. After you complete the resume, you'll want to proofread and spell check the resume. So you'll click on the Review tab and click the Spelling and Grammar button to spell check. And then you'll want to resave and close the document. So to resave, you just click on the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar, and you close it with the red X. And then you will remember you'll be submitting 2 files, the resume template file and the resume document file, to the Dropbox.